Unknown, unexpected process behaviors that cause manufacturing disruptions can lead to a loss in quality, yield, and profitability. If you are a frontline worker, such as an operator or process engineer, it may be difficult to understand and correct small disruptions before they become big production problems. Frontline workers are the main line of defense, but it's unlikely they were trained in detailed analysis and customarily do not have the proper tools to see problems developing. By the time a problem is understood, it is way too late to correct it. It used to take a significant amount of time, a lot of money, and highly skilled people to determine the cause, but not anymore. Aspen Event Analytics is a simple, powerful application that exposes the critical insights for frontline workers to rapidly understand unknown and unexpected operational events. Aspen Event Analytics advanced algorithms do all the heavy lifting to expose impending trends that lead to issues, assuring operators can take early action to stabilize the process. Aspen Event Analytics is a cloud-native application available anytime, anywhere. The operator simply enters approximately when the event occurred, some related data tag names, and then Aspen Event Analytics automatically performs detailed analytics to find the answer. It enables frontline workers to rapidly perform do-it-yourself analytics for better, safer, and faster decision-making. Aspen Event Analytics also turns discovered understandings into real-time Aspen monitoring agents to identify repeat patterns so that all frontline workers can rapidly intervene and minimize disturbances. For critical events that must not happen again, Aspen Event Analytics discoveries are passed along to AspenTech's advanced analytics solutions. As a result, ProMV agents detect and correct process quality events, and MTEL agents predict and avoid unplanned asset downtime. In today's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous manufacturing environment, arming frontline workers with capable solutions is the greatest possible defense. Aspen Event Analytics accelerates and simplifies the process of investigating everyday issues, assuring fast, accurate decision-making, minimizing impact on productivity, and preventing process disruptions. For more information on Aspen Event Analytics and other asset performance management products, contact AspenTech today.